Mohan Dalmia, sir, thank you so much for talking to us. Sir, what was discussed in the meeting, sir?
In the meeting, the main point was that for the last few days, it is a lot of problems are going on as far as the cricket is concerned. And it became very much necessary that how the cricket can be cleaned, how the cricket can be bring back to the rail, which is cricket was derailed, and therefore a time came when the people felt that somebody should come forward and take up. And at that juncture, there was two alternatives. One was the president acting. Another one was that whether Jagdale or apart from the Jagdale CK, whether what was their role. If they come and they participate, which they will intimate tomorrow, in that event, it will be, if they come and forward, they will be discharging the duty of the cricket as a treasurer and as a secretary. If they decide not to turn up in that event, probably responsibility to discharge, the responsibility will be on me.
So why was the resignation of Mr. Srinivasan not sought in the meeting, sir? Because it was expected that he would resign from the post on moral grounds.
That nobody asked for it, and the reason was that because they came forward and found that it was unnecessarily as if going after a punching bag. That is not the right thing. And I can't say why, but the board was, nobody came forward and asked for the resignation.
But why do you say that he is a punching bag, sir? Because his own son-in-law is involved in the...
I'm not talking about him. I'm saying that you asked me a question that what do you say about they coming forward and about their role as a cricket administrator. And I was answering to that. I am not there to say that who is right, who is wrong, what should be happening. That is what is not my job, and nor I want to overstate.
So for the sake of the cricket, for the sake of the game, people were demanding Srinivasan's resignation because it's on moral grounds, just on moral grounds, because such a big goof-up has happened, and that too under his nose. So don't you think it is necessary for the BCCI president to resign?
It is not for my thinking. It is entire working committee was there, and they felt that it should be bring back to the on rail, and we should not go beyond a point. And on that line, the entire thing developed.
So what kind of compromise formula is this?
There is no compromise. That is what, if they are they are responsible, they have to face the problem. So there is nothing that anybody is trying to protect anybody.
Now some say that this entire meeting is just an eyewash, sir. How do you react to it?
That is your version. I can't say. I feel that this is the most unreasonable and uncharitable comment you have made.
But generally speaking, people say that people were expecting that today there will be some kind of action.
I already answered that this may be your wishful thinking, and this is not the viewpoint of the administrators, players, cricketers, and I can't comment on such kind of a statement.
After such a massive scandal hitting the Indian cricket...
ultimately you have seen that what it has undoubtedly, but efforts were being made to bring everything above the board, and somewhere this has come out as if nobody says that he is clean or not, because this will be come out from the inquiry. But today itself, taking a viewpoint, I think that the members felt that it is too fast.
Right, so thank you so much for talking to us, and congratulations, sir. There, Mr. Jagmohan Dalmia making it very clear that the members of the BCCI felt that it was too early to demand the resignation of N. Srinivasan. In Chennai, Shabir Ahmed for Times Now.
What a sham. What a sham. You have Jagmohan Dalmia, who 24 hours ago said the need of the hour is to clean up cricket, and he said, I've got a blueprint, it is high time we cleaned up the act. And today he says that the majority of the board members were of the view that N. Srinivasan is being unfairly made a punching bag despite all the facts that are out. It is a complete sham. They all postured outside, made loud noises and said that wait for something historic. And what they have done is turned up a damn squib. Nothing but a shambolic act that's happened inside the Park Sheraton in Chennai and that emergency working committee meet of the BCCI.